Here I am in St. Albert at Woodlands Park, and it's not too often you see this type of woodpecker. I forget the name of them, and there's actually two of them. Usually I see them up in the tree pecking at the bark, but they're very beautiful with their red heads. They're enjoying something in the grass. The grass, maybe seeds. It's a beautiful day here in Alberta. They must be a pair, male and female, I wonder. So hard, how do you tell the difference? I'm wondering they'll let me get close to them. Pretty close to them right now. Get a really good close-up. Look how beautiful they are. Wow. Enjoying this beautiful sunny day. I don't want to scare them. When he flew away, I probably scared him. Let's see what the other one's doing.